are wondering if these cheap E99 and E99 Pro drones actually have got GPS. Well, I actually have some bad news for you. These drones actually do not get GPS. And today actually I lost my drone. So I was flying it, maybe I got it a bit up, basically like only 10 meters above the ground, and simply the signal got lost basically from this remote and I couldn't control it, and it basically took off and I lost my drone basically today, and there's no way to retrieve its location, and also you can't really control it using your phone much as well. So yeah, if you want to fly these drones, be very careful. They do not have GPS, and also the reception basically on the phone app, even if you use through Wi-Fi, also is absolutely terrible. So again, do not try attempt to fly very far or very high with these, because they are not reliable, and yeah, absolutely ridiculous and cheap drones that you shouldn't probably purchase. Good luck.